And now, Mr. White, if you'll click on that little microphone, please.
Can you hear me?
I can. I can't see you, Mr. White. You fight computers like I do, I think. Okay. Now click on the microphone. I need video and audio. There you go. Can you hear me, Mr. White?
I can hear you. Yes.
All right, sir. We're on the record in 2025, TR 878, State of Kansas versus Brent Lee White. Jared Regier for the state. The defendant appears in person and pro se. You are Brent White? Yes? Sir, are you Brent White?
Yeah, I'm here for Brent White.
You're not Brent White?
I am what gets called Brent White. How do I turn this camera around? I'm trying to show you.
Well, you're looking good. You're appeared good for me. You can't see?
Okay.
All right. So
You can see it all right. It's okay.
all right. So you're Brent Lee White, sir? I'm not clear on that. Do you
This,
answer for
yeah,
Brent Lee?
that's what the driver's license says.
That's what your driver's license says. Is that what your birth certificate says?
That's what it says.
Okay. So in count one, you are accused of operating a motor vehicle without a license, or at least a valid license, in Butler County on February 24th, 2025. This charge is a Class B misdemeanor. If convicted, you could be ordered to serve up to 6 months in the county jail, although probation's an option, and you could be ordered to pay a fine up to $1,000, although we often see a much lower amount imposed. In count two, you're accused of driving on that same date without liability insurance. And this charge is a B misdemeanor. If convicted, you could pay up to $1,000 in fines and serve an additional 6 months in the county jail. Now, this charge has a minimum fine that you must pay of at least $300, but no more than $1,000. You do have the right to hire an attorney. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, you can apply and see if you qualify for a court appointed, or you can waive your right and represent yourself. Mr. White, how do you wish to proceed on the issue of an attorney?
Well, I would
I'm sorry, you're cutting in. You're cutting in and out. I can't.
I wouldn't want to let anybody else represent me.
Okay, you're going to have a better communication signal than what I've just heard, because I didn't hear but bits and pieces of that. You seem to be moving around a lot. Where are you?
Um, Minneapolis, Pawnee. My phone, it keeps dying. It's too hot outside. We do this. It says
Well,
that
Mr. White, we have to be able to understand each other. Where are you?
Wichita, Kansas.
You're at Wichita, Kansas?
Yes, the corner of Pawnee and Minneapolis.
Okay. Can you get to a different location where I can
But
hear you
my
better?
phone is like the milk. I got it plugged in right. This is the only plug in I got. Um,
Well, I may have to set this case over to another day, and you may have to come to the courthouse because I am just not hearing you. You just keep cutting in and out.
Yes,
It's just not working.
I motion to dismiss.
You motion to what?
Dismiss.
Well, if you're going to motion to dismiss, you're going to have to do it where I can hear you and hear your argument.
I've already paid $1,500 to the BUDC. That's the or the BCDC. You can't read people's handwriting, but it's a Butler County cash bond. I was arrested on a bench warrant.
I
County
do
said the bench
see,
warrant for court, and today is the only court date I've ever had in Butler County until then.
I do see that you posted a $1,500 cash bond on June 7th of 2025 for you to appear today, and you have, but
What was the court date before day? What was the court date for?
I
Which court
can't
date?
I can't conduct hearing with this kind of in and out volume. So can you get to a better location?
There's Burger King over here, possibly better. Dollar General.
Okay, go to Dollar General and see if
Can you
that'll help.
can you still see me?
I can still see you.
It's like
Tell
you
you what,
can
while
hear
you're
me.
relocating, Mr.
I'm,
White, while you're
I'm right here.
while you are okay, you're in the Dollar General now.
I am.
Okay, I think we can hear you now. Yeah, but you're gonna have to stop
Okay.
moving around.
Now, how do I turn this camera around so I can show you what's
You're doing fine. I can see you. I would say don't turn it around, stand still in one place.
okay? So the cash bond, I was arrested on a bench warrant for
Now you
not showing up
start.
to court.
Okay. All right. Let's try this again. Stay in one place where you were. I heard you better. I think the deeper you go into the store, the more you lose signal. So can you go back more towards the outer door?
Yeah, can you hear me right here?
Yes, that's very good. Don't move. All right. Now, we're still on the record in State of Kansas versus Brentley White, 2025 TR 878. Jared Regier is still present for the state, and Mr. Brentley White is now at a location where I think we can conduct this hearing properly. And Mr. White, I acknowledge that you did post a cash bond in the amount of $1,500 on June 7th, 2025, to appear here today on count one, operating a motor vehicle without a valid license.
That's
A
not what
B,
this says, though. I disagree. It's not what it says. It says be here August 27th,
okay. All right.
2025.
I'm reading from your complaint and information. And I've already gone over this, but I'm not sure the way your communication was going in and out that you heard me. You are charged with driving without a license, a B misdemeanor, and driving without liability insurance, another B misdemeanor. These both have maximum penalties of $1,000 fine and 6 months in jail. The insurance does have a minimum must order fine of $300. Sir, you have the right to an attorney. You can hire any attorney of your choice. If you cannot afford an attorney, you can apply and see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. You also have the right to waive attorney and represent yourself. How do you wish to proceed on the issue of an attorney?
I'd like to talk to an attorney, but I don't want anybody to
Now,
represent
again,
me.
move forward or whatever you were doing a while ago where I heard you. Try
I
that.
do want to speak with a lawyer, but I don't want a lawyer. I don't want anybody to represent me but myself.
Okay. What I heard out of your garbled voice, you want an attorney but you do not want anybody to represent you, and then I kind of lost it.
I will represent myself.
Oh, you will represent yourself. Are you an
But I
attorney,
would
sir?
like,
Are you an attorney, sir? I'm just
as
asking.
uh, I'm not.
You're not, okay, but you want to represent yourself. You do not want a trained, schooled attorney.
I would like to consult with one.
All
See,
right.
this says it's for me to show up on August 27th.
Okay, that is a receipt.
That's the cash bond. That's the cash bond that you were talking about. It said that I was to show up here.
Is
Your
that,
Honor, I'm
yes,
sorry to interrupt, but I understand why he's confused. His summons was for today's date, and then there were orders put into his case due to an unserved summons. He was arrested and bonded out, and his bond date is for August 27th. And that's where he keeps getting that date from. So his bond is not yet in his case. I just received the money for the cash bond.
okay.
It was paid January 7th or June 7th.
All right. Well, you were told to be here today. You are here today.
And I was told that the bench warrant was for this court hearing. I mean, this is the first time I'm at the court in Butler County.
The day you, let's see.
There was a sheriff at my house to give me the summons for this day, and a neighbor told me about it. I called the sheriff's department. I was able to get a hold of the sheriff who was at my house, who told me that court was the 16th of July. I told him, I couldn't be there by 10, but I called the sheriff's department every time I went to that house. I never had another officer come to give me the summons.
All right. April
I did.
20, sir, April 21st, 2025. A summons was issued for you to appear July 16th, 2025. That much is correct. The problem is they could not locate you to serve you with that summons.
I called the sheriff's department every
Hold
time I
on.
went to that house in Lakeland.
Hey, sir, listen. So because they could not find you, after 8 days, they returned the summons to the court. And it said, the return said the address appeared to be vacant and
No, I
they were
talked to the
unable to
officer.
serve them.
I talked to the officer on the phone. I told him that next time I was in town, I would call him. I called him. I was there like 3 or 4 times, and nobody ever showed up. I called, look at the call log, ask the
Well,
operators at the
okay.
sheriff's department. They got tired of hearing.
Sir, I cannot hear a word you're saying. It is too garbled. Can you go back to where you were initially when you first went in the store and I could hear you?
This is it right here.
You're at the front of the store?
Yes.
Well, I can hear you for a word or two and then I lose you. Okay, so that was April 21st that the summons issued. April 29th that it came back that the place looked empty and they couldn't find you.
No, I called. They never showed up.
So let me finish, please. So then May 28th, 2025, I did authorize an arrest warrant and you were picked up on that and you posted a cash bond around June 7th. Actually, the return of the service was June 9th, 2025. And you did, is that customers I'm hearing in the store?
That was me. I told you my phone. It's super. It's about to die.
All right. So anyway, you posted a $1,500 cash bond, and here we are. So let's get on to the business at hand. You have these charges. You said you want to waive your right to an attorney?
No, no, that's not what I said.
All right. Are you going to hire an attorney?
I don't have any money.
All right. Are you going to apply for court-appointed attorney?
Is a court-appointed attorney going to represent me?
Well, that's what they do. They represent defendants.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Can you put your camera back on?
I don't know. I don't know how. I'm trying. I don't know how.
Do you see the red camera looking icon with the line through it?
No, I see.
Run your finger down the side or the bottom of your screen and see if it pops up.
I see the home screen, the team chat, the docs, the calendar, more.
Missy, do you want to jump in there if you have any ideas for me?
What? I'm in court, man. I'm getting kicked out of the store now. I'm out of here, man.
Okay.
No, you're good. Yeah, we just have your brother going on and stuff like that.
My phone's fixing to die. What's the next date I can do this?
Now let's continue this, but you be at the courthouse in El Dorado at the next hearing.
I can't.
You have to.
I got no way to be there.
Well, if you
Got no way to get there.
if you can't find a way, I will issue a warrant and the officers will pick you up and bring you.
I know. I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to do everything I can to not have that happen. Just like when I was calling
I am going.
the
Well,
sheriff's
you're
department.
talking fine. If you'll just start your camera, I can hear you fine.
I don't know how to start my camera.
Hang on. Missy, do you have any suggestions?
I got scheduled a meeting.
Listen, stop and listen, Missy.
I can ask him to start his camera. He started it a while ago, so I don't know why he can't start it
There.
now.
All right. Okay. Mr. White,
There, can you see me?
I can see you. All right.
Okay.
You're applying for a court-appointed attorney or you're not?
I'm applying for a court-appointed attorney.
All right. Where do you work, sir?
J15 and Pawnee flea market.
You work at a flea market at
I
K.
work downtown Wichita. I'm a street clown. I pedal a rickshaw.
Which is it? You work at a flea market?
I have more than one job. Is it
All
not
right. Okay.
okay to have one job?
Sir, slow down, listen, and then answer. You work part-time at a flea market at K15 in Pawnee. How much do you make per month doing that?
This is my second weekend. I made $23. But my
Quit
truck is
moving,
a
sir.
broke
If
down.
you would quit moving, I could hear you better. You get a good location and then you move away from it.
All right, so far $23.
$23. All right. You have a job as a street cleaner for Wichita?
Street clown.
Oh, a street clown.
I pedal a rickshaw. Yes, I pedal a rickshaw. I advertise for local businesses, which I'm not. Ain't got no advertisements right now.
All right. So you're not making anything at that right now. What else do you do?
That's it.
All right. Why did you turn your phone off? Your picture's gone again.
No, because it's dying. It's dying. My phone's at 1%. I told you it's
All
gonna
right,
die.
Miss Destiny, when can he come back? What? Don't make it that October date.
No, Your Honor, I was going to suggest the August 6th one. It's probably the last one I can put on there.
That's my daughter's birthday. That's my daughter's birthday.
August 6th, 9 a.m. You must be present at the Butler.
I can't be there. I can't be there. I can't make it that day.
You will, or you'll forfeit your $1,500 cash bond, Mr. White.
I'm asking, can we schedule it a different day? I can't make it.
We're moving mountains to get you a date on August 6th.
Let's just finish it right now.
Well, then make your camera work.
Your Honor,
Mr. Regier.
Your Honor, the state would respectfully have it noted on the record that given the attempt at a hearing that the court has made during today, the state does have concerns about preserving the integrity of the record.
Well, I have that concern too. Mr. White, I'm continuing this to August 6th at 9 a.m. You must be here or you will forfeit your bond and you will have a
I'm
warrant.
asking, can we do can we
I can't. I really
pick another
can't.
day? October here.
No, October is too far out. We need to get this resolved. If you want a court-appointed attorney, contact the clerk and they can send you an application. And we can get that taken care of. It sounds like you're probably going to easily qualify. Do you have any other jobs besides street clown and flea market?
Yeah, Old Town Rickshaw and the flea market. That's it. I'm looking. I'm trying.
All right. You don't have any other sources of income?
I don't.
Who supports you generally?
Me.
On $23 a week?
I got a garden. My water comes from a well.
Okay.
I
Are
own
you,
the property I live on. That's
okay. What's the value of the property you live on?
I don't know. $100. I
Okay.
don't. I can't say.
All right. Are you married or single?
Married.
And does your wife work?
She's a teacher.
She's a teacher, a
So
school teacher.
she's not working right now because school's not in session.
All right. Where does she teach? What school does she teach at? Yeah, we're just not having a good hearing. Mr. Regeer's right. So we're going to set this over to August 6th, 9 a.m. Turn in your application for court-appointed attorney, which you can get.
October. I'm asking for. I can't be there. I can't be there August 6th.
That is the only time I can fit it in, Mr. White, and that's the order of the court.
Not possible. Not possible.
That's the only time I've got to do it. And I'm not going to set this over to October,
I
which
can
is my
do it.
next.
I can do it on Google Meets again.
We are going to adjourn at this
It won't be
time.
like this. It won't
Your
be
Honor,
like
is
this
this
on
in
Google.
person?
It is in person. He is to be at the courthouse. So I
I can't
don't
be there in person.
have
I
this
can't be there in person. I
nightmare
can be there.
communication system. This is just totally unacceptable, and you've got till August 6th to find a ride. We'll be in recess at this time.
Can we please do another day? Another
Well,
day.
I wish I could. Destiny, can you do any other day? Is it because it's your daughter's birthday or because you don't have a ride? Because
I don't have a.
well,
I don't have a ride.
you're gonna have a ride problem any time. But I am
Not
exhausted with this argument, sir. We're not getting anywhere. So you may go
I'm
with
just
this.
trying to let I can make it there. You're saying it's gonna be here when you can't make it. I can make it there and not go over.
Your Honor,
Yes.
his bond date was set for August 27th.
All right. August 27th is when you have to be here.
All right, I was already planning on that. Perfect.
All right. August 27th, 9 a.m. Be here at the courthouse. All right. You may go, sir.